Shalom. My name is Sandra Newsom, and I reside in Nashville, Tennessee. I am seeking legal counsel for a medical malpractice case that I have currently been in since 2016. I have been treated with discrimination, deceit, and racism at its best. I have been totally treated unethical, inhuman. It is unconstitutional to the level of disrespect that they have treated me. The case was so severe that it caused lifelong injuries. A nurse administered Finnegan in the wrong vein, and she didn't dilute it. So it caused over third degree burns and it gangrene. I'm grateful to the Most High God that my arm wasn't amputated, because usually when you got that severity of injuries and it gangrene, it would be amputated. But they're trying to treat me as if I'm not worthy to be compensated for what the nurse did to me. It was her negligence that caused this. So I need legal counsel to help me in the matter. The first lawyer I had, it was a conflict of injury, because when I was seeking for a lawyer, it was their lawyer who referred him to me, and I found out about it. And also I had a deposition which their lawyer stated that he does work with them from time to time. And I have a witness that was with me when she stated that. She gave me false documentation. She falsified that deposition. When I asked for it, she gave me the court reporter's information, which they were saying that I had to pay for it. And that was in February of 2022, I think. February of 22. She gave it to me in August as the court date was getting close. And the court date was not a court date. It wasn't a jury, which they sent documentations that it would be a jury, that I need to bring my medical expert, my witnesses, and the judge didn't listen or want to hear from either or, and didn't want to see my documentation, where I had a lot of documentation that we had she falsified. So she wanted me to give her my documentation, and I would not do that. And I'm just seeking for help because I want justice in this manner. This is my life, and you can't put a price on my life. It has been several lies and deceit. It was even paperwork with the second lawyer between the judge and that lawyer. And the judge act as if he didn't know what I was talking about, and I wanted to give it to him. He didn't want to see it, and he lied about what it was about. They trying to demean my character and treat me as if I'm beneath them, and that's not true. I am a mother, I am a grandmother, and most of all, I'm a woman of the Most High God, and my Father loves me. So it will be justice in this matter, and I won't stop. I'm not going to stop. I'm just waiting on to hear something from the news. I contact NAACP. I contact the state representative. I'm not going to stop. Whoever I have to, I contact some other lawyers and to help me in this manner. This case, the severity of it has been detrimental to my mental. It is a god-awful tragedy, and they want to treat me as if I am a nobody. That's not right. Romans 8:28, all things work together for the good of those who love the Most High God. Romans 8:31, if the Most High God be for me, who shall be against me? I shall get justice in this matter. At the hospital, they were also a suit on the hospital, because when I was released from the hospital, I went back, and the ER doctor lied about my reasoning for returning. He gave on the medical papers that I was there for my blood pressure, which was a lie. I was there, and he gave the wrong blood pressure, a lower blood pressure, and said it was elevated, it was high. So it's just total deceit. And HCA apologized. I got in contact before this lawsuit and I got a lawyer went on. They sent an apology letter for apologizing what that doctor did, but they won't give me any information. They said they couldn't on the nurse. The judge didn't want to see that apology letter, which I know they have everything. They have all the documentation and everything. And it's still fraudulent what they're doing to me. They're fraudulently trying to not compensate me as if I'm not worthy of what she did and how she affected my life. So I can't give my information out, my phone information, but you can contact me through this message or you can Gmail me, Prophet Sand, PROPHETSAND 44 at gmail.com. These lawyers have lied and they are working together. I found out that that first lawyer, before he withdrew himself, before me going to his office, because he kept coming to my house. And I knew something was wrong. I felt in my spirit because the way he was start to treat me with the manipulation. And I can get into everything that was done. And I went to the criminal clerk office in Murfreesboro, where the hospital is in Smyrna. So I have to go to that courthouse and got some paperwork that I had no knowledge of it. And neither nor wants to respond to it. And they're lying about what the paperwork is about. And it's with the second lawyer and the judge. So they were upset because I went and even got that paperwork. But it's several lies and deceit, manipulation. And I need help. I really need help. So if you can contact me or help me in this matter and we get justice, because I've seek lawyers and everything and I'm not going to stop. And if you can help me, then please contact me, because I want justice. I deserve justice. If it been the other way around, because I'm dealing with different nationalities, a different nationality than then I would have anything and maybe locked up. I had contact a criminal lawyer. I wanted to see, is it any charges, because I can prove everything that I'm stating that I can take, then I will. Whatever I have to do, I'm going to do to seek justice in this matter. I am still hurting severely. The injuries are still debilitating. And they're doing everything to deceive me. They're all working together. I would say more about who's all working together, what was done, what was said, emails, messages, witnesses, everything. I have it. So please contact me once again, Prophet Sand, PROPHET, Sand, SAND 44 at gmail.com, or message this video. I really would appreciate it. I really would. And you all be blessed. Thanks.